Ghastly. Interesting. Yo, warning guys, I say the N-word in a second. Yo, fucking throwing up into my toilet and fell asleep on the toilet bowl. Nigga. God damn, who am I now? Who am I now? Can I blow my head off like a goddamn watermelon? Big stick on my left, big stick on my right. He's big, but I fight. His chick's a fucking dyke.
Wait up, slow down.
I'm too busy making sounds. Bitch, her name is Cindy, and she loves to play around with my Winchester. If she was a cookie, I'd ingest her, if you know what I mean. But I ain't a fucking jester for the crowd. I play around. I just over the ground.
Slow down.
What?
Slow down.
What? Sorry, my attention span is smaller than your dick. Sorry, and I told her it was just a quick flip. I told her she was fatter than a boulder. It was older. If you had to choose between her and Saturn, you choose the second one. Second one. Man, this is the reckoning. I reckon that you reckon that I'm joking and I'm not. This is true. Wait, what the fuck? The fuck's up with you? You use a filter on Instagram. That's laughable. That's laughable. Someone self-conscious.